The app that we are going to be building today is an MP3 music player. And as you can see here, I'm going to describe you what is this about. So we have a bot container where we will be showing an image of the cover of the music that will be playing on the time. Then we'll be showing the name of the song that we are playing, as well as the artist. And then we have some controls here. We can go back to the previous song. We can then play the current song or going next to the, in this case, to the following song. Also, we have here the duration of the song, and we can jump back between back and forth to the time that we want, and we can also manipulate the volume. I'm going to put it down a little bit, so in this way it's not annoying. So let me play the music. Yeah. And as you see here, we can also go back or go forward. I can change to a new to the next song. In this case, I have 3 songs here, 3 sample songs. So let's do the same. Let's manipulate the time. These are some of the songs that I have been using on my previous videos as covers. And then the next one is this one. So as you see, it's working as expected, and this is the app that you are going to be building with me today. So stay tuned, because we are going to have fun and you will have like a lot of JavaScript coding in this session.